Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into data engineering, distributed systems, or just brushing up for tech interviews, you're in the right place. Today's topic is super important in the world of modern data systems. What is Apache Kafka? We're going to simplify the concept, explore what makes Kafka special, and why it's used by companies like Netflix, Uber, and LinkedIn. Intro fades out. Section 1. The big picture, 031 to SAO. Let's start with a basic question. Why do we even need something like Kafka? Well, in today's digital world, apps generate tons of data. Clicks, payments, logs, sensor readings, you name it. And we want to process that data in real time, to personalize content, detect fraud, or update dashboards instantly. That's where Apache Kafka steps in. Kafka is a distributed event streaming platform that allows you to publish and subscribe to data streams, store data in a durable and scalable way, and process that data as it flows through the system. It acts like a central hub, a high-performance messaging backbone for all your data pipelines. What exactly is Kafka? Now, let's break that down. Apache Kafka is an open-source platform developed by LinkedIn and donated to the Apache Software Foundation in 2011. It's designed to handle real-time data feeds with very high throughput and reliability. Imagine a system where your app sends a stream of events, like user clicks. Another service processes those events in real time, yet another stores them in a data lake for future analysis. Kafka makes this communication seamless, fast, and fault-tolerant. Kafka is not just a queue or messaging system, it's much more. It's horizontally scalable. You can scale by just adding machines. It's durable, meaning data can be stored for days, weeks, or even forever. It's high throughput. Handling millions of messages per second is normal. And most importantly, it's real time. Kafka in the real world. Let's talk about where Kafka is used. Companies use Kafka for real-time analytics. For example, Uber tracks location and status of drivers. Logging, collecting logs across microservices in a central place. Monitoring and alerts, streaming metrics to dashboards or alerting systems. E-commerce, tracking user behavior, purchases, and inventory changes. Fraud detection, banks use Kafka to process transactions in real time and detect suspicious patterns. Kafka is at the heart of event-driven architecture, where services communicate through events instead of traditional APIs. Let's say a user places an order. That action creates an event. Kafka receives and stores the event. Several services react, like updating inventory, sending confirmation emails, and adjusting sales numbers. That single user action triggers multiple services in near real time, and Kafka ensures that no message is lost in the process. Kafka's superpowers. What makes Kafka so powerful? Durability. Kafka stores data on disk and replicates it across servers. Even if a node crashes, the data is safe. Scalability. You can handle more traffic just by adding brokers and partitions. High throughput. Kafka can handle gigabytes of reads, writes per second. Replayability. Unlike traditional messaging systems where messages are deleted once read, Kafka lets consumers rewind and reprocess data. Perfect for fixing bugs or building ML pipelines. Fault tolerance. If a consumer or producer crashes, Kafka keeps running. It's built to handle failure. And with the latest versions, Kafka now supports craft mode, running without Zookeeper for simpler setups and better performance. Quick recap and analogy. Let's quickly recap. Apache Kafka is a distributed streaming platform. It's used to ingest, store, and process data in real time. It enables high throughput, fault-tolerant, and scalable communication between services. It's the backbone of modern data architecture. Think of Kafka like a high-speed railway system: trains, data stations, services. Kafka ensures that the trains run on time, don't crash, and always arrive at the right station, even if one station temporarily shuts down. And that's a wrap on what is Apache Kafka. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. Comment below. Where do you think Kafka can be used in your projects? We'll cover Kafka components, architecture, and real-world interview questions in upcoming videos, so stay tuned.